In this video I will show you how to automatically create a planner task every time a new message is posted in a Microsoft Teams channel. This is a great way to make sure important messages never get lost and always turn into actionable tasks. In this video, when someone posts a message there, Power Automate will automatically create a task in Microsoft Planner. Now let's get started. Step 1. Open Power Automate and click on Create. Select Automated Cloud Flow and give your flow a name, for example Teams Message to Planner Task. Search for the trigger called when a new channel message is added, and click Create. In the trigger, select your team and channel, in this example Automations and General. Step 2. Add the Planner action. Click on New Step and search for Planner. Select the action called Create a Task. Select your group ID and your plan ID from the drop-down lists. Step 3. Configure the task details. In the title field, click on the Expression tab and enter the formula to strip the HTML tags from the Teams message so the task title shows clean text. Then click on Show Advanced Parameters, select your bucket ID, and set the start date time to message creation timestamp from the Dynamic Content panel. Step 4. Save and test the flow. Click Save in the top right corner. To test the flow, click Test, select Manually, and then click Test again. Now go to your Teams channel and post a new message. Go back to Power Automate and check if the flow ran successfully. Then open Microsoft Planner and confirm that a new task was created with the correct title and start date. You have now built a flow that automatically creates a planner task whenever a new message is posted in your Teams channel, so nothing important slips through the cracks. If you found this helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and subscribe to the channel for more Power Automate tutorials.